Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making loaded taco baked potatoes. Alright guys, I'm starting out here at my skillet. I browned up roughly 1.5 pounds of ground beef and drained off the excess grease. I'm going to add that 2 packs of taco seasoning. And guys, these are going to be some loaded baked potatoes. I got large baked potatoes, so I'm baking them at 400 for 1.5 hours. It's going to take that long for them to get cooked through. They're that big. Now I'm going to add to that 1 cup of water. I'm going to turn my heat, I had my heat off, I'm going to turn my heat back on to medium. I'm going to bring this up to a simmer. I'm going to allow this to simmer until all of the water is evaporated, cooked away. And that'll allow that seasoning to cook into that ground beef and make it just that much more tastier. Alright guys, my baked potatoes are done and you can see how big these guys are. I poked holes in the top so they wouldn't explode while they were baking. If you don't wrap your potatoes in foil when you bake them, you get a much crispier skin on them. And that's what I was going for. Now that guy split open on me. We're just going to add a little bit of butter to that. Now I'm not going to add any salt to my potato. I normally do, but I'm not going to because this taco meat is salty enough with the seasoning. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some taco cheese. It's Fiesta blend. And I'm adding it down here so it can melt. I'm also going to add some of that taco meat that we made. I'm going to add, we'll put our salsa on first guys, some chunky salsa. And Dexter's quiet now, but he was raising up a stink earlier. Now I have some tortilla chips here I broke up. We're going to add some of them on there. That's going to give it some extra flavor and texture. And I'm going to add some green onion. Now if you like sour cream, that would be really great on this, but I'm the sour cream fan. Let me get in here and give this a try. Now guys, this is a heaping potato. More than enough for one person. You get that salsa, that taco meat. I'm going to grab a little bit of a tortilla chip on this bite for the texture. It's really nice. You get the creaminess of the potato, you get that texture crunch of the tortilla chips, the spiciness of the taco meat, the salsa, and you get that freshness from that green onion. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Loaded taco baked potatoes. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.